Morning. We're here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and it's February 19. It's Tuesday. Nandito kami sa Best Western Plantation Hotel, and katabi rin namin yung Holiday Inn Express. Nandito pala kami ngayon sa Florida kasi naiwang kami nung barko sa Western. And ito mag-breakfast kami. And we'll be going to Denny's restaurant sa Magunahan lang. So ito pala yung hotel. And then kakain muna kami for breakfast. And then ako wala pa kasi akong tulog. Ayan. Yung swimming pool ng hotel. And then mamaya balik na lang ako, ha? Bye-bye.